Hi everyone, so today I want to unbox with you Bari by Wille from the Modixx collection, and this one is in the color Beige Multi-Mix. And if you're wondering, this is Narano by Wille from the Modixx collection as well in the color Dark Brown Mix, and I have an unboxing and a review for this one as well, so if you're interested in that, they will be on my YouTube channel. Let's look at Bari. So Bari is a short pixie type cut, comes with a net, always securely packaged with tissue paper. And let's look at the cap construction for Bari. It has a mono top, no lace front, but you have that fringe which helps you disguise the wig edge, cap, open wefts. And then let's look at this short pixie, so lots of layers in here, so you can play with it quite nicely, put styling cream in it, etc., so really bring out those layers. This is really cute. So shorter ones sometimes just need a little bit of finger combing just to get all the layers and all the fibers off the cap. And then you can style it kind of how you want, which is just, look at this. You can get some real volume in here. Or you can make this a little bit more sleek. So let's start with the sleek bit. And then I show it to you from all sides. I'll make it go across my face like this. Maybe take this, and then I probably prefer it like that. Right, so let's look at it from all sides. It's a cute, easy to wear, very lightweight piece. So if you're struggling in the summer with the heat, something like this would be ideal. And these kind of short pieces are always so cute with a headband, you know, for the beach. I think that's a great look. So let me just show you that quickly. So a simple hairband like this, adorable. Or my absolute favorite is like a bandana look. So you just plonk it on the top like this. And then you can mess the layers up if you wanted to, or you can have it sleek, but I quite like it really messy. So sometimes I just use some styling cream as well, just so the layers really come out to play. And then look at this. Adorable, right? So I love wearing something like this to the beach, because I can also go in the water with that. You know, then nothing gets really wet. It's a great piece for an active lifestyle, I think. Adorable, right? So tell me what you think of Bari, and I will obviously review this in more detail very soon, so subscribe so you won't miss it. And I will put the link to this piece down below in the description box. Use code K20, it will give you 20% off. Great lifestyle piece, in my personal opinion. Have a lovely day. Bye.